Andito kami ngayon sa Parque Tais. At yun nga, hindi ko alam kung anong meron dito. Sabi kasi ay may perya dito, pero ano nga bang meron sa perya? Ito yung mga CR nila. Diba ang ganda? Ang bango naman ang pabango. Ikaw ba? Oo. Ikaw ba nagpabango? Ako? Oo. Ayan. Tignan nyo ang ganda ng ano, ng puno. Sige nga. Samahan nyo ako ngayon dito kung anong makikita natin. Ay, madilim na. Ay, ang daming tao. May banda yata dito. Uy, ang daming tao pero ang labo ng ano ko. Ang pangit. Bakit ganun malabo siya? Ay, maliwanag. Oo nga, maliwanag na nga siya.
Hay que irse a la casa, ¿no? Sí, la verdad, no vamos.
Daming tao, Ganda. Kaway ka, girl. Girl. Nangako pagkarong pressure. Tara.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain.
De acostada tocan el piano, mira. When I find myself in time,
speaking words of wisdom, melody,
and in my house of darkness, she is standing right in front of me. Baby, los caballeros. Me voy a poner áspero, mira. Los hinchas de Boca. Más o menos. Los hinchas del Club Atlético River Plate.
Otra, díganos otra, ahí está. Sí, qué locura, no sabés. Mañana yo hablo con el que nos vendió, digo, no, la gente se volvió loca, te van a pasar los videos, no sé. Buenísimo. Así nos llaman otra vez. Bueno, estamos tenemos. Ahí está. Está bien.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving up.
Yeah.
kakain. Tapos ngayong gabi ay yun nga, may banda. Ang hindi ko lang alam ay kung hanggang anong oras ito. Daming tao ice cream festival today. Pwede pa lang magpasyal dito ng aso eh.
Oo, kasi parke to eh. Ano ka ba?
Dito naman ano to? Studio, pastilera. Sabi ko. Pastilera. Dito pizza. Starbucks pizza.
Warma ako.
Tara. Ayan. Shami Shawarma. Comidas del Mundo. Ayan.
Hinati ko ano ka? Adi karne na. Karne lang ako.
So yun lang. Chinek lang namin kung anong meron dito sa perya. At yun nga, nakita nyo sa video namin, sa video ko na tsaka yun, si Angel nakabili siya ng shawarma. Nagkakahalaga siya ng 15,000, so almost $13. Pero ako wala akong nabili kasi mga karne man yung pagkain nila. Hindi man ako nakain ng karne.
Baka mabukas ko, tanong ka natin. Ano tayo magtatanong?
Sa mga gwardiya, try mo. Ayun o. Ayun o. Señorita, permiso. ¿Puede preguntar?
¿Qué tal?
¿Hasta cuándo está abierto?
A las 10 de la noche.
¿Mañana?
Mañana no. Porque hay pronóstico de tormenta.
Ay, sí, sí.
Compañero.
Okay. Okay, gracias. So, ayun nga, natanong nga namin kung hanggang kailan itong perya, at sabi nga yung mga nag-organize ay hanggang ngayon lang ng alas 10 dahil nga merong pronostiko ng tormenta mamayang madaling araw. So, bukas Sunday ay wala na. So, hanggang ngayon lang. Kaya, uwi na kami! I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa pakikinig sa music nila. So, maraming salamat. Say bye, Angel. Say bye, Angel, sa video ko. Okay, ciao! So, kung ikaw ay bago pa lang dito sa channel ko, please don't forget to comment, likes, and subscribe. Ciao!